The reality is we're wrapping a building site around people's homes. We've developed an approach to tenant liaison around three core things: engagement, honesty and communication. So early engagement on this project, we hired out a pub a few months before we started the project, invited anyone that was a stakeholder and set out our plans. We were honest about how it was going to impact their lives while we were there, restrictions on light, noise, and how we were going to communicate with them throughout the project.